There are 6 critical areas that are foundational to driving team alignment. The first is a shared team vision. A mission describes what you do, and a vision defines where you're going together and why it matters. It helps people connect to their daily work to a larger purpose. Gallup's research shows that strengthening employees' connection to their organizational purpose by just 10% leads to an 8.1% decrease in turnover and a 4.4% increase in profitability, right? So is your entire team clear and bought in and connected to the team vision? Do they feel energized by this vision? The second core driver of team alignment is having a team blueprint. Roles, responsibilities, strengths. According to Gallup, only 46% of employees clearly know what's expected of them at work, which is astonishing because what's happening with the other 54%, right? And so having clear roles and responsibilities and leaning into strengths clarifies ownership, decision rights, and collaboration so that the team can move faster and more decisively. Number 3 is trust and psychological safety. Psychological safety is the belief that you won't be punished or humiliated for speaking up with ideas, questions, concerns, or mistakes. And Google conducted a study called Project Aristotle, and it identified that psychological safety is the single biggest predictor of team effectiveness. And it is more important than skill or experience. So even if you have a superstar team with a lot of rock stars, right? If there is no trust, if there is no psychological safety, they won't be as effective as a team with strong trust and safety. Number 4 is effective team communication. According to Grammarly, miscommunication wastes 7.5 hours per employee per week. And that's costing US businesses $12,506 per employee every single week. And that number adds up. So we want to make sure the team is having intentional communication, that it's clear, consistent, purposeful. It's not about the quantity of communication. Some teams will come and tell us, but we have update meetings all the time and we're always sharing our work for feedback. We're always communicating. So why are we still having miscommunication? And the thing is, it's not about the quantity. It is the quality of the communication on a consistent basis. Number 5 is productive team conflict. Conflict itself is not a problem. In fact, conflict is a good thing if the team knows how to handle it. Conflict is a good thing if the team knows how to handle it. And some teams will say, but we get along, we don't argue, we don't disagree with things. And in truth, that's probably false harmony, where everything looks calm, but really people are just avoiding tension, which ends up impacting the quality of decisions that are made. So productive team conflict is about how do we as a team come up with norms, expectations for how we handle conflict. And the last piece to driving team alignment is team accountability and results. Most teams avoid accountability conversations because of fear of conflict, fear of discomfort, fear of defensiveness. And a study actually found that 82% of employees say they either try but fail, or they completely avoid holding each other accountable. And in high-performing teams, accountability does not feel punitive. It actually feels empowering. People know what's expected, trust one another to deliver, and they help each other get back on track if things do drift. So those are the 6 core drivers of team alignment. They're the foundation to building a team that is effective and high performing.